So a few days after finishing the first video about this amp, the distortion channel went silent again. So it probably wasn't just the dirty pins of the tube. Let's see if we can reproduce the fault. Well, that's good from a repair point of view. If we wiggle the PCB with the tube on it, we have intermittent signal. So it's probably a connection between the main PCB and the tube PCB. Let's touch them up with a bit of solder. Apologies for the camera focus here. The camera was probably more interested in the piece of wood I used to keep the lid open. I'm sure you'll get the idea. Lots of solder and quite a bit of smoke. Now there is one pin which looks like it doesn't have any solder at all. And to be honest, I am not impressed by the factory soldering, so let's touch up everything that is not up to par. Now let's do the same on the top side of the board. The PCB is back in its place. Let's test. And there we go. This time we really did repair it. It was a bad soldering job from factory. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you already haven't, and I hope you will join me in the next video. Bye then!